Today I'm going to show you guys how to enable hand tracking on your Meta Quest 3. Hand tracking is actually very convenient for those times where you just want to, do a couple things. Maybe go on the headset for a few minutes and you don't want to get a controller or the controller charging or you forgot to buy batteries or something. Well, there are two ways to enable hand tracking. The first way, of course, would be just by default. It's enabled to an extent. If you double tap the controller together, what will happen is it will enable hand tracking. But there is another way, and for this other way, we actually will have to go into settings, which we can get to by just clicking here and then clicking on settings. Hand tracking can be a little wonky at times, especially if you're in a lower light room, so definitely keep that in mind. Once we are in settings, we will then want to go to movement tracking, okay? In order to actually select something while hand tracking, you pinch your index finger and your thumb together. And then what you want to do is click on this second one. Make sure it's checked here. Automatically switch between controllers and headsets. Automatically switch to hands after putting your controller down on a stable surface. To pick up, to switch back, pick up your controller. If the setting is turned off, you will need to switch manually, by tapping the controller together 2 times, like I mentioned. And then if you want hand and body tracking, you can turn that on as well. Other switch sensitivity. Let's see, enable to access more shortcuts. And then there you go. That is all there is to the hand tracking. As you can see, it's not actually bad at all at tracking hands. Every now and then things may get a little bit buggy, like I said, depending on lighting and a couple situations entirely. Also, if you're just turning it on to do quick little things, that's perfectly fine. But if you want to do like very precise things, you might struggle a little bit with it, okay? Yeah, you might struggle a little bit if you want to do some precise stuff because it's not always going to work correctly. Like I said, especially in low lit areas because it's the cameras on the headset that's actually detecting stuff and whatnot. As you can see, you can actually click stuff while here to a degree, but as you can see, it's not detecting everything as it's supposed to. And yeah, just keep that in mind. Just something to know. But yeah, hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.